Welcome to lesson 3. In this lesson, we will learn CSS. So what is CSS? Why do we use them? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is a language for describing the presentation of HTML. That means how the HTML document will be presented, how it will look on the screen is described by CSS. Simply speaking, CSS is all about styling. The website we have built in the previous lesson was very dull and ugly looking website. Using CSS, we can make eye-catching, gorgeous looking websites. Once you will have completed all of the sections of CSS, you will be able to create impressive designs for a website that will definitely draw the attention of the visitors. Let's start with a basic example. Launch the code editor. Now we will save this file in a new folder. Name it Lesson 3 CSS and save the file as CSS introduction.html. Now load this web page, and I'm going to use half of the space of the monitor for the browser and rest of the space for the code editor. You remember the structure of HTML page, right? It starts with HTML element. Inside there will be head and body element. Inside the body element, create a div element, then take a h1 element. You can write whatever you want. I'm writing welcome to CSS. Then take a paragraph element, and I'm writing you will learn everything about CSS in this lesson. Save the code, reload the web page. Here is the heading and here is the paragraph. Now go to the head section and create a style element. And type with me body, then a set of curly brackets. Inside write background color colon light blue. Then write h1, take a set of curly brackets, write color colon white and text align colon center. Now write P, take a set of curly brackets, write color colon red. After that write div, take a set of curly brackets and write background color colon light gray. Save the code and reload the web page. We can see the background color is light blue. The heading has become white and moved at the center. The color of the text of the paragraph is red, and the background color of the div is light gray. We define the background color of the body here. The style for h1 tag has been defined here. This section is telling the browser to make the paragraph text red. And this section is making the background color of this entire division light gray. This is how CSS describes the presentation of HTML. Now copy this entire div element and paste it here. Save the code, reload the web page. Both of these divisions have the same style. You do not need to restyle it. We define the style once and use it for as many times as we want. It saves huge amount of time and effort. Notice another thing. CSS is not the part of the HTML document. If we remove the style element, the document remains the same. However, the look of the document changes. Let's bring the style element back, save the code and reload the web page. Okay, the style is back. I think you have understood that. We can style the same document in many different ways using CSS, and this lesson, CSS, is all about styling. I hope you like this introductory session. We will learn the syntax of CSS in the next section.